Hi, Mrs. Ambrosiak here. Today in class, we learned how to use some mental math strategies to help us multiply larger numbers. And there's a few different ways that I'm going to show you to help the students gain mastery of these strategies. One is the distributive property. Students are getting confused between the distributive property and factoring. In the distributive property, which you can always use to multiply, you take one of the factors and break them apart as two addends, and then you multiply both addends by the other factor. So I'm going to do 14 as 10 plus 4. I still have to multiply each of those addends by 50. So that means 10 times 50 is 500, and 4 times 50 is 200. I add them together because I was adding here, and that equals 700, which is the product of 14 times 50. Factoring is another method you can use. In factoring, you would break apart a number such as 32 as two factors, 4 times 8. So 32 is gone now, and we're still multiplying the two factors times 25. I should see friendly numbers now within this problem. 4 times 25 is 100, gone, gone, times the 8 left is 800. And that's the product of 32 times 25. The friendly numbers that we were talking about, we always want to look for numbers that we know are easy to combine. So again, I have a 25 here. Kids are familiar with combinations of 25 because of money. If I know that 4 times 5 is 100, then 8 times 25, is 200. Gone. Now I'm left with 23. So I can think 2 times 23, which is the same as just doubling 23, which is 46. 2 zeros in the problem, 2 zeros in the answer. And the product of 8 times 25 times 23 is 4,600.